Hi, I'm Pam Stewart-Clark, and this is Wedding Planning with Pam. Every other day of the year you do it. You stand in front of the mirror, patting down a road clump of hair, combing, pinning, and spraying. So why not trust your time-honored skills to your bridal beauty hair? You have all the tools you need at your fingertips, so take this great opportunity to practice your styling talents. Start by scouring all of your favorite websites and magazines. Say you settle on a loose French twist. Over the course of a few weeks, test out all sorts of products to see which holds your style best, which has the best scent, and which doesn't create the crunch effect. Get to work in front of the mirror and practice until you get it down to a 10-minute operation. Snap photos after each trial run to see which look translates best. Beware of the sprouting broccoli effect. Sculpted, crusty chunks of hair that explode in hard tendrils out of a bun. This style doesn't photograph well. Instead, choose a look that's more elegant, like a chignon with a side part. It's hard to go wrong, and it doesn't require a huge amount of skill. Rethink washing your hair the morning of your wedding. Hair that has some natural oil in it is easier to style than soft, freshly washed hair. My love note, don't even think about changing your hair color yourself the week before your wedding. Too much can go wrong, and you may not have the time or talent to fix it yourself.